Compared with dividends, repurchase is a better way to return funds to shareholders because in these two methods only dividends are taxed.
There are good reasons why shareholders do not have to pay taxes. When company buys back shares, they got nothing. Dividends are cash and repurchase in the reorganization of the ceiling table, which may or may not bring short-term sugar to the stock price. The only way to get profit from stock repurchase is to sell your stock during the high sugar period, at which time you will be taxed.
Executives who are motivated by the stock price performance really don't have much choice but to buy back some of their company shares.
Indeed, management incentives usually coincide with maximizing current perception of value rather than maximizing actual long-term value, which means that they usually have a cross function with regular shareholders. In addition to long-term value creation, executives should not be encouraged to use capital and labor resources to achieve goals.
One of the reasons for the recent increase in the share repurchase may be related to the increase in the overall value of the stock market.
By scaling the total stock repurchased by the company's market value, we found that since the recovery from the financial crisis in 2007 and 2009, there has been no obvious long-term trend. Likewise, consider how to scale the dividend value plus solid line by the company's market value to make the time series flat.
The idea that repurchase will not increase the company's book value or intrinsic value is debunked.
I haven't been persuasive yet. If you plan to buy a whole company for a long time and expect its growth and returns to be the last equal of to maintaining the purchasing power of your money, then the company needs to be at least productive and need cash flow, except on the basis of essentially meaningless earnings per share, buybacks cannot be released. Therefore, it is difficult to see in what ways the repurchase program can help companies enhance their intrinsic value. Similarly, unproductive, non-cash flow generating companies have made terrible investments, and buybacks have no effect on these two attributes. In effect, they prevent investment in more production and cash flow.